Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to use one of the flexible cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to roll it into a cone shape. I want to make some Valentine's Day trees, and I love how they turned out. They were so fun. I'm going to use a Dollar Tree pencil cup to weigh down the bottom and to provide a base, so I made sure that would fit before hot gluing the mat down and then trimming off the excess material so the bottom of the tree will be flat. Then I can put the little cup right in. I wanted this one to be a little taller than the other ones I made, so I didn't make it go all the way in, just about halfway, and I attached that with hot glue. Now I'm using supplies from the Dollar Tree to decorate these, and I wanted lots of bling. I'm going to be using some of this iridescent cricket vinyl they have at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it shines all different colors. And I take it a piece and I smooth it out on some of the Dollar Tree poster board, the little poster board sheets. That way you won't be able to see the creases in the cutting board when I roll this around, and I'll have a very smooth Valentine's Day tree. I attach it with some hot glue and start wrapping that around, and then cut it where it'll be a straight seam on the back and attach that with hot glue as well. Just like before, I have to trim off the excess material here at the bottom. And since this one was so big, so much bigger than the other ones that I made, I did have a small area that did not have any coverage. So I just cut another piece of the vinyl down and covered the seam there on the back. To decorate this one, I'm going to use some of this glitter ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's like a pink glitter, and the great thing about it is it's sticky on the back. Isn't that cool? So I thought this would make a perfect garland. I did a different theme on all of the Valentine's Day trees that I decorated, and I will show you here at the end how they all look together. So this one is iridescent, so it kind of takes on all the colors. But having this pink on here, I think is really fun. So I just wrap that around the tree like that. One shot, and then some of the little pink flower stickers. I'm going to start with some hot glue at the top just to make sure it stays attached. And I kind of hot glue once every time I go around and at the ends, because even though these are stickers, they can come off. So a little hot glue to reinforce it is always good. For the decorations, I'm going to use some of the pink glitter hearts from the Dollar Tree. These are just like little foam stickers, and I thought these would be perfect decorations since I was doing a pink sparkly theme on this one. And I love the combination of the iridescent cricket vinyl from the Dollar Tree because it picks up all of these pinks, right? And I just put those all over like little ornaments all over the tree. I was trying to decide if it needed more bling, and the answer is yes. They have these little light pink gemstones that are shaped like hearts, so I thought those would be really cute ornaments as well. So I kind of scatter those all over wherever there's an open space. For the tree topper, I'm going to use one of the little pink glitter hearts. These are little foam hearts from the Dollar Tree. It's a perfect scale and so lightweight, so it's really easy for a tree topper to be made, and I am loving it so far. What I did next was I went in with some of the little pink stickers like this, and I'm just going around where the glitter is and making it have even a little bit more bling. On these, the more bling, the better. And so I found those. They had some pink, and I thought that would be really pretty. So this is how it turned out, our little Valentine's Day tree. And let me show you how it looks with the other two that I also crafted using supplies from the Dollar Tree.